Let's face it, most tradespeople didn't choose this path because they loved writing exams. But when it comes to Red Seal exam prep, it's not about being perfect on paper. It's about proving your experience, skill, and readiness to grow. The Red Seal certification is Canada's national benchmark for trades excellence, and to earn it, you'll need to pass a multiple-choice exam built around real job site problem solving. Most exams are between 100 to 150 questions. You get 3.5 to 4 hours. Expect diagrams, codes, safety scenarios, math calculations, and zero fluff. It's not just a memory test. It's a reflection of the work you already do, day in and day out. But knowing your trade isn't always the same as knowing how to study for the exam. That's where solid prep makes all the difference. The best approach to Red Seal exam prep? Break it into chunks. Start with safety, review procedures, emergency protocols, and PPE requirements. Move into tools, codes, and trade math. Set a weekly plan, use practice questions, and don't just read, interact with the material. If you're someone who hasn't studied in years, you're not alone. Thousands of Canadian tradespeople are in the same boat. That's why having the right study tools matters. At RedSealStudyGuide.ca, you'll find digital tools designed for tradespeople like you. You can download Q&A books to your phone, choose resources with explanations so you understand why the answer is correct, and take online timed tests that mirror the real exam format. It's more than just reading, it's preparation that fits your life. Whether you're in a union, self-employed, or switching provinces, Red Seal certification opens doors. It gives you recognition across Canada. It often leads to higher wages and more job security. And it can even lead to supervisory roles, safety inspector positions, or teaching apprentices. Remember, this prep isn't just for new apprentices. It's for experienced workers ready to validate what they already know. It's for newcomers to Canada, making the leap into Canadian trades. It's for those returning after a break, and those planning to go further. If English or French isn't your first language, focus on trade terms. Study with visual examples. Use diagrams. Highlight what's relevant to your work. And don't feel like you have to study alone. Peer groups, tutors, and online forums can help. But most importantly, a structured resource, like the ones at RedSealStudyGuide.ca, keeps you on track. They don't promise a pass, but they do give you clarity, structure, and a smarter way to prepare. You've already put in the hours on the tools. Now it's time to show it on paper and unlock everything that Red Seal has to offer. The trades are changing. They're more advanced, more respected, and more in demand than ever. You've earned your place here. Now go prove it, with prep that works just as hard as you do.